Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at symptoms of a bad universal joint. The universal joint, very crucial component in a vehicle drivetrain, connecting the propeller shaft to the differential. And when they wear out or when they turn to fail, there are always some indications that can signal damage going on. So what are some of the top symptoms of a failing universal joint? Well, the first signal of a failing universal joint is excessive vibration. A worn universal joint causes imbalance. If there is some mechanical misalignment, if there is some wear, that will result in unbalanced rotation, and that will cause excessive vibration while driving. Especially, you will feel the vibration when you are driving at high speed. For example, when you are driving at speeds greater than 40 miles per hour, you will notice significant vibration. So if the universal joints are worn out, this will cause dynamic out of balance, and that can lead to excessive vibration. The joints, there are needle bearings in here. There are needle bearings. If the lubrication of the needle bearing fails, and if they wear out excessively, they will create a free play. So these joints, the yokes, they tend to have a free play, and that will cause a misalignment, and that can cause vibration. So this is the first indication of a failing universal joint. The other indication of a failing universal joint is when this wear out, it will cause noise. For example, you might be hearing a clanking noise when shifting gears. When you are changing direction, for example, from forward drive to reverse, whenever there is a change of direction, that will cause a clanking kind of noise. Especially when you are driving from park to drive, or when you are shifting direction, you will notice some clanking noise. This is basically, as you change direction, it will cause a knock, some kind of clanking. That wear will generate noise. So that is another indication of a bad universal joint. It is usually more noticeable when you are accelerating, or when you are decelerating. The noise can become most prominent and noticeable. Worn bearings, when they become loose, they can cause slack in the drivetrain. That slack can cause noise, especially when changing direction or when there is a significant speed change. You might also notice some squeaking noise or chirping noise. A high-pitched squeaking noise can also be an indication of a failing universal joint, as there will be lack of lubrication. When this grease, there is a grease in here, when that grease is thrown out, when it gets worn out, the grease is usually the one that is going to be thrown out. When that causes lack of lubrication, the lack of lubrication will cause increased wear, and that severity will cause noise. So you might be hearing a squeaking noise, or you might be hearing a chirping noise. Drive shaft banging is another indication of a failing universal joint. When you see some banging noise, some banging when you're driving, that could be an indication of a failing universal joint also. If you happen to notice there is some banging as you change speed, that could be an indication of a failing universal joint as well. The severity of the banging noise depends on how far the damage has taken place. If it is damaged extremely, you might notice extremely loud drive bang. And the other problem is you might have difficulty turning. If you have a binding on resistance on the universal joint as a result of some kind of misalignment or some kind of wear, you might have difficulty turning. So binding resistance when turning, especially in a four-wheel drive mode, suggests a seizure in any of the universal joints. So this could be caused as a result of lack of lubrication, and that can cause the universal joint to lock. It cannot be freely moving. The star or the yoke should be freely moving. When that is disrupted somehow, that can cause difficulty in turning. You might also notice some metallic grinding noise, a harsh grinding noise while driving. It indicates that the universal joint bearings are completely worn out. If these bearings that are inside here, if they get completely worn out, that can cause a grinding noise. These metal fragments inside the joints can cause excessive friction. That will be very damaging to the entire assembly as well. Leaking grease from the universal joint can also be an indication. If there is grease coming out from these bearings, that could be an indication of a universal joint that is going to fail. This visible grease around the universal joint indicate a broken seal that can lead to loss of lubrication, and that loss of lubrication will eventually lead to universal joint failure. Damaged seals allow grease to escape when the vehicle is driven at high speed. When this is spinning at high speed, those seals, damaged seals, will make the grease to be thrown out. That will cause lack of lubrication inside the universal joint. This can damage the entire universal joint assembly. Excessive drive shaft play can also be an indication of a universal joint failure. If you somehow hold one of the sides of the universal joint yoke stationary, and if you rock the other one, and if you notice there is a significant motion, if there is a significant play, that could be an indication of a failing universal joint. So hold one side and try to rock the other. If you see there is a free play, that could be an indication of a worn out universal joint. Humming noise or whining noise can also be indication of a failing universal joint. When there is lack of lubrication, that can cause a constant whining noise that changes with the speed, and that can indicate dry universal joint. So these are some of the indicatives of a failing universal joint as well. Shuddering during acceleration and uneven tire wear can also be indicative of a failing universal joint. If you happen to notice there is a slipping transmission, if there is a jerking, that can also be indicative of a failing universal joint as well. So when you summarize, some of the most common and the most famous symptoms of a failing universal joint include noise and vibration. So these are some of the top indicatives. If you happen to notice some burning smell from the drivetrain line, it could be as a result of excessive heat that is generated if there is some kind of misalignment and some kind of relative motion in the universal joint that can cause a hot burning odor near the drive shaft, suggesting a seized universal joint or lack of lubrication and excessive play inside and excessive friction inside the universal joint. So bad universal joints should never be ignored. They can lead to drivetrain failure. They can lead to transmission failure. If there is something going on wrong in here, that can lead to gradual transmission failure. That can cause the vehicle to lose control and lose acceleration as well. If you notice vibration, if you notice clanking noise, if you notice some abnormality, inspect the universal joints immediately. If replacement is very crucial, then make sure that you are replacing the universal joint with original manufacturer parts, and replacement is relatively inexpensive compared to the cost of major drivetrain component repair if the components should fail. So these are some of the top symptoms indicating a failing universal joint. If you happen to notice any of this happening to your vehicle, make sure that you get inspected and have them replaced as soon as possible before they leave you stranded somewhere. Well, lead viewers, that is all we have for you.